Jordan doing the coughing trick, I guess you could call it.
4 fingers. It's almost like
Okay.
Score.
1, 2, 3, go.
I'm like this.
Lick your sword is Adam's apple.
Probably not.
Are you good?
Yeah.